Hello, welcome to this quick start tutorial for using AR for everyone, artists and art stores to bring your art closer to your customers so they can preview your masterpieces in their own space easily. Visit our website now and bring your art to AR in few minutes. With only 2 steps, you'll be ready to enable your clients to seamlessly visualize and connect with your creations in their own living spaces. Before we get started, if you have a Shopify store, then please check AR for Shopify instead. For this quick tutorial, we'll configure together a basic painting with a basic frame type. Let's first navigate to the dashboard. First, let's add an art piece. You can fill its information like its name, description, and the link you want your clients to visit to check your art. You can also specify how many variants for this art piece. By default, it's 1. After adding the art, now let's select it to configure the art. This is a very easy setup. First, let's upload an image of the art, painting, a poster, or a photo by clicking Upload Image. Select an image you have of the art from your computer. It's recommended for the image to be clear and in good quality for the best result. The image of the art should not include the frame. Now let's enter the dimensions of the art piece. These are the dimensions of the art piece without a frame. You can also select the unit of measurement you prefer, centimeters or inches. For this example, we used 70 by 80 centimeters. Make sure the dimensions are correct and reflect the real-world art piece, excluding the frame. By default, we have the single frame tab selected. This means that we want to configure our art that is made of one piece, like a painting, poster, or photo. If you'd like to configure a painting that is made of multiple panels or multiple paintings grouped together, please check our other tutorial. After having the single frame option selected, you can choose the type of art you have. It can be a painting that can be placed on walls, a 2D poster that can also be placed on walls, or a photo that gets placed on flat surfaces. You can select the frame type you prefer for your painting from the different frames in the list. Some frames come in different styles, like black, gold, or wooden. For this tutorial, we'll select the American Golden frame style, and for the other one, we'll use the American Black frame style. On your left, you can see a visual preview of what the art piece will look like in 3D. You can use the mouse inside the preview, mouse wheel to zoom. Dragging while left mouse button is clicked can change the position. Dragging while right mouse button is clicked can change the rotation. This is a simple 3D preview for you to have an idea of how the art will look. Now you can save your art. You can go to the products dashboard. In here, you can enable the AR switch toggle to activate this product to work in AR. On to step 2, share with your clients. Now that you're ready to share your art with your clients, you simply share the link. Or you can generate a QR code and upload it to your social media or website, or print it. If you wish to change the settings of how the previewing page looks like, you can navigate to the settings and make the changes you see best fit for your case. Congratulations! Now your clients will be able to preview your masterpiece in their real spaces using their smartphone, and for you to position your art business at the forefront of innovation, offering a forward-thinking solution that aligns with the evolving expectations of modern art consumers. And if you have any questions, you can check our FAQ section or contact us for any questions or suggestions.